Hey, you caught me playing Fall Guys on my Nintendo Wii. A lot of people like playing Fall Guys now that it's popular. Personally, I've been playing it since 2016. Very fun game. Back in the day, not as many people played it, but now that more people are playing it, that means there are more servers open, and that means I get to play more often. So now, I'm going to teach you, yes, you, all the cool tricks you can do in Fall Guys. Now, Fall Guys has some very difficult controls, so let me teach you how it's done. To move forwards and backwards, you want to press 1 and 2. 1 is to move forward, 2 is to move backwards. It's a little weird. You would think you used the nunchuck to move, but hey, I didn't make the game, okay? So you press 1 to move forwards. If you want to turn, you have to press the D-pad up here, left and right. So you end up holding it a bit like this, so that you can move forwards and press the D-pad at the same time. Now to jump, what you have to do is you need to connect the nunchuck and shake it. Shaking it makes you jump, but you can't move while you have the nunchuck connected. So you have to take it out, move, and then put it back in, and then jump. And then if you need to move again, take it out, move. It's a very difficult control scheme. Another trick is there's actually a secret gun tool in the game that you can use to shoot your enemies. Now, you need actually a special controller to unlock the gun tool. I have one right here. It's a Super Nintendo controller, but it's wireless, and it's by Wireless Gamepad. Okay, it doesn't actually say who it's by. Doesn't matter. Anyway, you just want to get one of these wireless Super Nintendo controllers. The way you're going to want to unlock the gun tool is you're going to want to press X and A, but X slightly before A, like this. Notice how I'm pressing X just before A. And then, once you press X before A, you want to press both the triggers, and then you're going to want to do the first bit of the Konami code, which is up, up, down, down, left, right, left, right. Since you can't do BA, because you have A covered, just do that, and then press start. That's how you unlock the gun tool. Here I am holding the gun weapon in Fall Guys. And that's every single Fall Guy trick I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. But one last secret for all of you that have stayed this long. There is one thing for you. If you get 100 Victory Royale crowns, whatever, same thing, then you get to unlock the AK-47 weapon. I'm not going to show you a clip because it's spoilers, but don't forget about that. Oh, bye-bye.